everybody, this is going to be a little quick video on how I've got all my audio set up. OBS, multi-streaming to Twitch and YouTube. So I play music on Twitch, but I don't play music on YouTube for obvious reasons. This is the way I've got it set up. So first things first, we use Voice Meter Potato. It gives us a lot of extra features than Banana does. I've already done a video on this, so if you want to check that out, go and check that out, because we're just going to run through this very quickly. So on VAIO, I have my music, so anything to do with Chrome goes through VAIO, so that's this column right here on the left. Now the middle column, which is called Voice Meter AUX, I have the game going through that. Not what they say here, the lighting, but I have the game coming through this one. And then VAIO3, I have Discord coming through this one. And we set that up with the virtual audio cables. So we go down here into a sound settings. And then we go to volume mixer. And this is where all your programs will be. Now obviously we haven't got nothing playing at the minute, but we just play this. You'll see our Chrome. And this will be set to the Voice Meter VAIO like so, and you'll see that it's right there. You would put your Discord onto the VAIO3 through your Discord settings, and then your game the exact same on here. But now you ask, well, how do you split them all up in OBS? Well, you'll see I've got a few little different things ticked right here. So if we just alter all this back to normal to show you how this works. So I normally have my game coming through cable A, which is A2. Then I will have my Discord coming through cable 3, which is cable B. And then for my music, I would put that on cable D, which is it's A4. Yes, that's my music. Sorry, I've been playing about with my settings, so it may look... You can swap these cables around, it doesn't really matter what order you put them in, but this is the way I've got it set up. So now we'll come over to OBS, and you will see I've got game on A2. Basically why I got them mixed up is because this writing's wrong. I've changed it around since. So the basics are I've got each cable on a different line, so I can put them out to a different source, if that makes sense. So if we go into settings, we go into audio, you will see desktop audio cable A, desktop audio cable 2 is cable B, mic C, mic, and this just allows me to split all the audio up how I want it. So we put these in like this, and it'll come out like that. Is everyone following me? I hope you are. Now, to be able to have your music going through to Twitch and not YouTube, we want to click on this tab here right here, go to Advanced Audio Properties. Now, I've got mine set up a little bit different because this is on my recording setup. Let's just take all them. Yeah, this is my recording setup, not on my streaming setup. So I have a dual PC and I send audio over to me, over PC to sort out that. But we can do the same thing right here, don't worry. So you will see that what you would need to do is tick all the A on one, but don't tick it on the music channel. So we untick this one. And then on your channel 2, we'd tick all these, and that would, when we open up as multi-streaming thing, we'd set it so it'd just listen to track 2. not track 1. Track 1 is for your mainstream. I set track 1 to my YouTube. Does everyone follow me? I hope you are. This is a very quick video. I'm trying not to get dumbed down in stuff that we don't need to be. So over here, we have got this is my live streaming PC. Don't worry about it. It's all the same concept. It's just that I haven't got the multi-stream plugin on this PC. So once you have installed the multi-stream plugin, right here, we would set our settings to go to YouTube first. So just set it up like you normally would, like this, yeah. And then we would add new target, put in your URL here for Twitch, and put in your stream key here for Twitch as well. You will see this bit here. This is what we're going to change. So if I go into modify, let's just show you on a new target. So I would change this to FFmpeg, this one anyway, and change this to audio mixer 2. And then I hit OK. As long as you've followed all the steps, you should have music going to Twitch and only and no music going to YouTube. Should have. Just audio bitrate, don't get confused with that. When I go into modify, I've got my bitrate set to 5000 for Twitch. It's capped at 6000, I think. Be wary of that, but 5000 works for me. Now, on the YouTube side of things, don't think many people will be able to do this, but I've got a gigabit connection, so I stream at 15,000. Please check your speeds and see what you can do. Join the Discord, and at some point, I'll be able to help you out. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.